It's a woodpecker. Oh, what is that? Oh, bro, really cool though, isn't it? I'm getting better at these trees. Are mad. You may have guessed we are doing another bird watching video. It's actually my first time being here, so I don't know what to expect. Okay, good. Here we are in Shakujii Park. It's actually my first time being here, so I don't know what to expect, as I said before, but it is very beautiful. So we're just gonna walk around the park. I think that's a mallard. That could be a domesticated duck, but I think that is a mallard. Just not as big as a domesticated duck. So good morning, y'all. Good morning. This doesn't look big, but I mean it's a long ass park, and there's two parts. So yeah, we'll just walk towards this area and go to the bird sanctuary. Ooh, okay. This is like the list of birds you can find from spring to summer. Can you imagine finding an owl in the wild? That would be crazy. That would be wild. And it's a crow. Dude, Japanese crows are big. So the first time I came here, I saw the crows. I'm like, what the? That's so big. Let's go to the next part. Wow, man. Conditions are poor. It's like, oh, what is that? Oh, wait, is that actually? Oh, it is. Oh, yes. It's not a lifer, but that, my friend, is the azure wing magpie in that tree. As you guys can see, I think there's 4, maybe 5 in that tree. Cool. Oh yeah, this type of things, man, makes me think like I'm glad I woke up at 4. Dude, what a day again. That was crazy. I think this is my first time seeing a night heron not inside a tree, because I usually found them like above a tree or in the bushes. He's literally there. The great agate is perfectly in the position. That's right on cue. Nice. I don't know if I successfully took that, but that gray heron just found his breakfast. I think it was a fish. Oh, I think he's doing it. Oh, there you go. Oh, is the guy comrade? Where is he going? Oh. The azure magpie is right in front of our faces right now. I'm taking the photo of it. Thank you. We're literally just like in front of the entrance of this park. The grey hair today looks quite menacing. I think it's the actually my first time getting very close to a Japanese tit. Great to see some other birders also taking photos. Oh, that's beautiful. Wow. Oh, I think it's a dusky thrusher up there. I thought it was a brown-eared bluebell, but nope, it's a dusky thrush. Ah, nice. Oh, that might be a lifer for me. Just don't know the name. I think simply the reason why this tree is crazy is because there's a lot of fruits. So that's why all the birds are here. They're eating fruit, which brings a very good photo. Oh, that might be the red start. Oh, I think that's a red start. I think that's a female red start. Oh. I think the conditions of the pond is not really good everywhere. It's like not really the best right now. I don't know if you guys see this. I'm seeing two white birds above a fuck tree. Can you guys spot the great egret above the tree? That's crazy. Let me just take a bit of just like one photo of it. That's cute. Oh, bro, let's just stop here just to look how beautiful it is right now. Oh my god, dude, it is so beautiful. So this is the birds that you can find in this pond or around here. Although I'm not seeing the ducks on the pond there. I've always wanted to come here to check on the birds. Of course, just to come here to also enjoy the park. It's actually a very good park. Oh, hello, buddy. Hello, buddy. Buddy just came in. Oh, it's a mallard. How are you, buddy? Like, I bet most of the birds are in that one tree that we took earlier, because there's more like foods in them. Usually it's just better to just walk in the park, look around you, find the bird. You know, it is easier to go to the observation deck because it is built for that. Ooh, I think we can go through here. Hopefully this is not a weird... Oh, damn. Okay. Right. Yeah, I can see the birds. I think it's this area. Right here. Yep, I think it's this area. If we can't find anything, we'll go back to that tree. It's like a tree of life. What are we on? Attack on Titan or something? Oh. Okay. There's a birth bath here. That's why you can see a lot of these birds. Interesting. I don't know if you guys can see though, but you can just see right here. So from that window you can see the bird bath. Okay, I'm not hearing anything, I'm not seeing anything. It's really cool though, isn't it? It's pretty cool to have this just one window of the I thought it was like a I thought there would be more windows, but it's just this one window. Because I thought it would be like a bird sanctuary thing, but nah, it's like a observation window. It's still alright though. You can still find some birds here, I think, if you're lucky enough. Let's go to the other place. So with this, we have explored the places that people usually go when they birdwatch in Shakujii Park here in Tokyo. And as you can see, it depends on luck, but I think we got some good photos from today's session. I'm gonna head back to the place where we started and trying to find some other birds there too. Hopefully something different, but I don't mind taking photo for the same bird again. So I hear a grab. Go straight. Oh wait, that's more hand. Okay, hold on. I wish I bought some food. I'm so hungry. I don't know. I can hear more birds here. Dude, I'm getting better at this. Oh, dude, it's beautiful. Sometimes when I go to these parks, I keep telling myself, we're in Tokyo. You know those flashy lights, neon light Tokyo? Yeah, that Tokyo. We're currently in Tokyo. So it's crazy. I guess this is the Tokyo that not a lot of people are talking about. You know, we have some nature too in Tokyo, okay? So I can still see some birds, obviously I can hear some birds, but it's more quiet now. And we're back. We're back. Oh, there it is, there it is, there it is, there it is. Okay, I think that should be good. It's been a while since I see those guys. Last time I took their photo was this year's, I think April or March, I forgot. That was before I started doing bird photography. Yeah, this tree is crazy. Like these trees are mad. Look! Even behind me, there's a lot of birds. I don't know how many birds we saw. There has to be more than 10. I think it's like 20. Oh wait, that's... Okay, I'll search that. Maybe egoist, maybe a red start. Who knows? But that's a beautiful shot of him. Hopefully I got a shot where it was eating food. I can stay here for like another hour or two. There's a lot of birds here. Oh, Akagera. It's a Japanese woodpecker. Oh, dude. It's a woodpecker. Oh, that was lucky. That was lucky. I think it's a lifer for me. It's definitely a lifer. That's beautiful. That's lucky. That's beautiful. You know what? This might be a good place to stop it. Everyone here is trying to find the Japanese woodpecker again. This has been a very good day actually. Alright everyone, I think that is it for today. Hope you guys have enjoyed today's session in Shakujii Park in Tokyo. I hope you guys have enjoyed. This has been a very good day for me, I'd say. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.